driveway is fully on the property, but it's kind of a long driveway. And this is all the land. There's a total of 40 acres. This side of the lot kind of gently slopes up the hill, and then it levels off up at the top, and then it comes back down on the other side to a creek. And then it goes back up. Okay, this is I don't know if you would call it a house or a cabin. It is pretty much gutted. I guess I'll show you the level area of the lot first. This is kind of a little shelf in the hill. Lots of big trees. There's another view of the house. And this is the road that goes up to the back of the property. There are a lot of pine trees back there when you get to the kind of landing. You know what? I'll walk back up here. I don't get too exhausted. No, that's too far. I'm not walking back up there. Okay, this is the back view of the cabin. It is a pretty good size. Now, what he did was, the guy that owned this before, this section here was actually a mobile home. And he built onto the mobile home to create the cabin. You can kind of see on the side here, and incorporated it all in. Now, I'm not really sure why. He did open everything up on the inside, so you can't really even tell, but I was thinking it would be best to just side the whole thing so that you would have consistency on the outside. Here's kind of a view from the porch. Okay, so this is one of the rooms. It's pretty much gutted to the studs. Long porch. There's a couple of entrances here. This is one of the bedrooms. Good sized bedroom. One bedroom, two bedrooms. Second bedroom here. Third bedroom here. Bathroom. Coming down the hallway. You have another small fourth bedroom here, or an office. This is a pretty good sized living area here. So you've got this whole living room per se. Your kitchen is over here. And then you have another little room over here, which I guess could be a fifth bedroom. Yeah. Does have a separate entrance. So this is actually, I guess, would be the master bedroom. It's pretty large, really large, I'd say. Maybe 25 by 20. Insulation's all fallen out, but the construction, if you look, metal roof, everything looks really good. Structural wise, I mean, of course, you're going to need all cosmetic, but living room area. That's a view of the driveway going down to the main road. More view of the woods.